A Kenyan expert says U.S. claims of forced labor in China's Xinjiang are nothing but attempts to contain China's development. Jarishan Ikiara, a senior economics lecturer with University of Nairobi, points out the false accusations that aim to stigmatize China will hinder free movement of labor, noting that only collaboration will benefit all.
When you say this country is engaging in forced labor, dealing with the country, if you think you can stigmatize it. China is the second biggest economy in the world, approaching US, and it is also leading in many parameters. It is leading in competition for industries, and therefore we want to say this country's labor is not free, so that you can discourage free movement of labor in the world, and especially between the two biggest economies. And as an economist, I think they are missing the point, because if they can collaborate, the two countries can effectively collaborate and create a better world, free movement of labor, interchange, continental investment. The world will benefit from the two countries.